So my people, may have some things to share with Uno, right? We have Blemdem, my people, and Rosealee upon live. And boy, I don't know if it's my people, but Blemdem, like him, I go off. Seeing, it's like this youth here have a lot to deal with, and him just project it upon the people them upon TikTok, you know what I mean? And also Sqash and Sqash mother. Him this up Sqash mother in the wickedest way, this Sqash. And he must say, boy, right now, you know what I mean, him ready for just like dash everything and do whatever. You understand? Some of the things that me can't really say, but I go hear what him have to say. You see it? And me feel like say this youth I blame them is just a ticking time bomb. You see me I say we can just boom up any minute. You see me I say, me I go make you hear what him have to say, my people. Also we have Candy. Can me share a clip with Candy yesterday to Uno, right in the night, where it's like she explained the whole England situation. I don't know why this is a topic of discussion right now in these time, because that gone so long. So here our people, Mackerel have some things to say. So them have Mackerel and Candy on the live. You see me I say, and them talk about Udua and Udua. Seeing apparently a woman, the woman husband get disrespect by Candy allegedly. Candy say him not this the man, but me I gonna make you hear what Mackerel have to say, and also what Candy have to say, cause them talk about the whole thing. You see it? So we're gonna get in that also, my people. She bother you know come out this rebel, this Blemdem, cause Blemdem keep funeral for him and she and think I scold you also. Seen? So me I gonna make you hear what she bother have to say about him and also Candy. And me don't know why she bother no like rebel still, but she bother this up rebel also. You understand me I say? So we are gonna get in that, my people. So we are gonna kick it off and maybe me add other things while, you know what I mean, me I share it with Uno. And also, my people, we have Rosealee and this youth here when him tick scene kick off again after them warn him saying keep a low profile in the US. The man still upon live across people. So him and Rosealee clash, my people. I'm gonna share that with you also, so make you get in it.
Rose,
Nothing.
dog, me say bad man, Rose, me say. Me nah agree no waste man in a dog. Cause me a celebrity, you know. Cause me say more me agree them to blood clot. Me a give them bumbo clap platform. Cause we see where they me see why when me used to come to drunk them, they not answer me. When they I talk about some little grass might to blood clot, you come like you make them go viral. So right now better me just come down peacefully and not talk about them a blood clot. Cause them a shit in a bucket. Dog, Rosealee, they not no shame a blood clot, you know. They not no shame, bro. Me bumbo clot, it make sense. I agree. You see people like them, they not no clot. Remember, say them morals gone, you know. So I agree with them.
Talk for more in iPhone.
You know, actually, you hear me better now?
Yeah.
Me I say Rosealee, the drunk of them now, no morals. You know, make sense. I agree with them a blood clot. They not no shame. They not.
You never do that.
Me just know. Me used to see them on the internet and me see why them base up on the internet to blood clot. At least me have little morals, me hide. Me not show myself because me have little morals. And if BFC know say me have BFC up on the internet, me just know say me hide. Because me shame to walk and know say me have BFC up on the internet. But them, they feel right in front of the camera and behave like a shit in a blood clot bucket. So me if it's long and agree them to blood clot and put them up, but suck out on the big stinking mama. I bury them to blood clot and put them on the ground. I mean I call no name. They know them.
Hello, my name is police system. Still working for them company. He's a local whore.
We have about the can eat.
Rosealee, I say too much chunk. Hey, Rosealee.
You do what?
Yes, long argue with them all day and all night to blood.
Me talk argue the problem. I'm busy. Me I talk about how Jake's left me.
Jake, where Jake left for?
He must be calm, but you see, he left me. Me not see him.
I lie, I believe you.
Then look one new man.
A Frank Kelly pull for the people.
Me no walk and pull prank. Jakes left me.
I believe that, man. Jake's not left here. Money they run so good.
At this me get to them, I come for life. See it here. I'm show you.
Remember say 1,000 there make off a peanut. So
See there, third when me get to the seat there. So I third like seat there.
But remember say, but Rosalie, if they ever make third law, I remember say a peanut they used to sell, 1,000 used to make a day. So that's still money that. Up on a good day make 1,000 for a day. So Jake's not going away. I believe that a blood clot.
Live a freeze shot.
That joke me a make, man. You hear me? You hear me though? Me a freeze.
Live a freeze shot. Talk now, cause they was so good girl about live a freeze. With them blood clot.
That's why they want me come down.
Where you say now, bestie?
That's why they want me come down.
Alright, I black them talk about live a freeze, no, man.
Yeah, I lie them a tell. I ain't gonna name out them.
What no fool?
Dog.
Live a freeze sooner that mean on broke. Talk bestie.
Rosalie, me tell some of the broke people. Me not listen to them. All the millionaire them and me they say no. All the millionaire them and the rich people and me they say. Me don't need them broke people as friend. They can't go name out them woman and turn them batty man friend them back way and name them. Me don't need to argue them batty boy. More than me just hold them one by one and boom out their head in a real life. You see me? Cause me not chatting about this. Me deal with the action. Me I deal with some of them. You know? Anybody when me can't argue with me make man do them things. Me turn from foreign and put money on their head. So if me say I can't argue with you, I win me, cause me take TikTok serious, you know. So if I feel like say you go come and bring me down, I feel like say you go win, yeah, no problem. Yes, man. Cause me take TikTok serious. Cause I feel like how they can send Rosalie, girl fit tab like Rosalie. Rosalie, me say, if I me like Rosalie, which that girl will come here do, I'm gonna text something chick. Rosalie laugh with them in the dog.
That girl come on my that girl waste.
It's a platform, man. Look, you see that shit in a plate, that girl.
That girl dirty girl. That girl can't.
One little dirty what this girl. Me say you make a shank take it. You know, I must shake them way front type bed. And one of them I want to cut take it and lick it.
I share friend.
Bro, no cut Rosalie, me now go do this video. Where they calling kills people in here, me now.
Alright. Sorry. Blemdem, me no good na Blemdem. Blemdem. Wanna call my blood clot bestie phone for me and pussy clot live. You know because of Jake's life, I me not get no food vinyam. But Jamaica.
I call me get a while ago Rosalie. Rosalie, me I say, you can't sit down and argue them careless people. Them people are careless people, bro. No call any name, me bury them. Rosalie, like you take a funeral for joke to you know. You know, say I bury them people. You can't argue with them, man. I will bury them. You're mad. Me now call back them people name, bro. Them two careless bad man. When I say careless people, bro, them people, alright. Where you gonna cuss them people, say now? Tell me one good where you gonna tell that somebody say now? Tell me now. Where you cuss him, say now? Wait. Tell me now. You don't need to argue with them, bro. People, chat. Tell me now, people.
That's true.
When we go argue with them people, say now? Tell me now. When we go argue with them, say, tell me. And then on ambition.
Rose, something.
One with them crutches, they on world media. One with them blood clot head, they on one. Blood, it not gonna work. Rosalie, no call them people name, please. Not do that, Rosalie. Me I beg you, please.
Tell me
yeah, Rosalie, you didn't know, you with the
Blemdem know the code. You see what I say? Because the more you call people name and talk about them, no matter who them be, you promote them. You understand? Share them not up on the radar like that, like Rosalie, Blemdem, and you know what I mean, the people them up in at the top of TikTok. See? So this are the more good for share than anybody else. It also promote Rosalie and Blemdem still here to keep them hot, relevant people and see them. You understand what I say? But share, you know, it are the more good because share down there. And because Rosalie and Blemdem and link up with Shibada, that a push her up in the people them face. So what she have to do, you know, she have to be likable to the people them, you know. For them keep her up there. If she not likable to them, if she not have nothing for her for what them want to say, she a go drop right back down which part she did there. That's how it go. So right now, Blemdem see it say them a get too much highlight from him because him are the hot person right now. I don't want to call them name. You see it? As me say, yesterday when me share a video with Uno, the woman Rosalie a cuss within her place. That the woman there, if she get a TikTok, you know, she gone. You see me? If she get a TikTok and come cuss Rosalie and expose Rosalie, remember me tell her say she gone up there. But if she a go stay, time will tell. Make her watch some more.
Argue with them people and bring down yourself. You didn't know that, Rosalie?
No.
No do that. You will do them people now. You make them talk boy and answer them. Make them make a fool of this. I say you do them people now. If you like come bury them now and put and show them their garbage pan. Me buy 2 brand new fish and blood clot broward meat. Me got broward meat and me buy 2 brand new fish. We just come off my ice. And me put them in one box so and pick some flowers out the door. And put them right in a blood clot box. And bury them. And take after me done bury them 2 brand new fish. 3rd class one of them fish. There are some big fish. Come I say them are big fish, you know. So you have to get big fish when I did them people. Me don't get the small little snapper fish. That's some big one. I show people say them are big fish. Shalom the rat. Dead rat. Yes. So two big fish I want dead rat. Me go pet store go get the rat. I pet store me go get the rat. The pet store where they sell the snake them and then me go get the rat. So you say me bury them and now. Me don't even argue with them. When they, you know me go do now, me go also. Watch them pass screen record that talk about me for months and weeks and laugh. Cause they now nothing say about me. Where they go say about me? Eh? Put up one picture where they don't show it for me. Eh? Eh? Me don't know how one blood clot young girl to be my mother. Tell me now. One young blood clot girl be my mother. I mean a big blood clot thief to one man. They talk. Tell me now. You don't need to address them and agree them Rose. A low life people them. Then put up one young me now, I go address the situation because they want me address it. One young bumbuckler lady. When me look at the lady picture when they put up say I'm mother to blood clot, me have to say I really Sqash mother them I take information from. Sqash mama when blood clot. Hey people, let me tell you something about Sqash big self mama. Sean, let me tell you this, Sean. Let me deal with you, Sean, because I think they want attention. Look at thinking pussy, Sean. I'm gonna tell people them say you fight over a war of a man. You will come from matches lane and rose sites. But you war of a man, big push, Sean. Sean, when we can tell people them say you want Sqash. Because every girl will Sqash have a problem with. So
everybody
not to say you want fun.
Work.
Dirty Sean.
Everybody
Sqash
drop a road. The live
paper.
you can't drop a road.
Sqash mother Shelly.
Everybody drop a road. Everybody drop a road.
Shelly.
Drop a road and catch his speed.
Moving forward.
Why we not catching this speed?
We are left them people in 2024. We don't even argue with them. So some man look low life people. We want to sit down and want me to pound a name. Me left for in 2024. Me not argue with Batman. You're mad. How me argue with Batman?
4 more
Rosalie,
quick.
Rosalie, you are your friend. I'm rate you. I'm going to tell you the truth, Rosalie. You know worth it. You understand, Rosalie?
Yeah.
As a friend, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not worth it. Tell me now, Rosalie. Be honest with me. What you going to tell that Batman? Tell me now, Rosalie. As a dog. What you going to tell a Batman say now? Tell me. A man, we are real Batman. We have AIDS. But anytime he can drop down dead. What you going to tell him say? We are argue with him say. A man, we are going to come and say. We are bringing them Batman. We are come and say a Batman. Eh? No, I'm not catching. Them boy they not no class. Low life, their life sad. They want to bring down people. Rosalie, we argue with them people and not bring down yourself. No, argue with them, bro.
Me not give them a different story.
Then go and talk about you. Because remember, you know, me I this thing. I saw me go stay relevant when they talk about me. And I understand me I say?
Exactly.
I thought me go stay relevant. So me like touch them can and allow them then go and talk about me. I saw me do like when me do 6K TV. You know, so say that me do 6K TV, Rosalie. Me touch him can and I just left him making go and call me name. I saw me do them, Rosalie. Touch them can and left them make them go and call me name. I saw me do 6K TV. When the boy can send me a request, me like a batty boy, go suck your mother. Don't send me no request, me and no friend. Don't send me no request, batty boy. Remember, so I'm in here to play, me go suck your mother, don't send me no request. So you know, if you touch me touching can this up. So you know, so me touching can now. He burn him. So you see, burn him and now. In gone cuss me for my name. The for my name attack and start a Batmanism and say me mash up here. Lord, I say you touch them can. Yeah, touch them can, me then go and talk boy and do something. Yeah man, you no go and talk about me man. Remember me, I'm name Blemdem, I'm a president, you know. You don't have to talk about me because I'm a president. You see me? You don't have to go and talk about president, you know. Go and talk about me so I stay relevant. I'm name Blemdem, you know. See, Nicki Minaj, no. Eh? And me make Nicki Minaj just send the wall on the lion, man. Remember, good man. Hey, what I know? If you want to learn from Nicki Minaj, just come send me a request. If you want to learn from Nicki Minaj, just send the president a request or argue with the president. Just call the president name. Just good or bad. Just argue with the president, call the president name, and you get liar. Yeah, man, me I tell you what to do. If you want to call the president name, argue with the president.
25 rows, 25 rows.
If you want to argue with the president or the friendly president. Alright.
25 rows.
Yeah, man, I don't know who's the president. I want to blame them, man. Yeah.
15 more people come chat. 15 more rows.
Rosealee. You know, say I'm here, all the man pan here, come here. I never show me face and get too much lion. You ain't got suck with the mother and you can't do that. Do that and beat me. Do that and beat me. And time do that to beat me. Me come here, me dominate the game. Never show me face.
Well, you have to give Blemdem him props still, people, because him come here and make a name for himself. No matter how he make it, him make it still, you know what I mean, without even showing his face. And Ghana, so much, like, people will love him, fans, even Nicki Minaj, you know what I mean, give him and buy him things, them and them wear they so, you know what I mean, him do a great job. You see what I say? And he come like say first when him just come out, him never did really want to become a TikToker. After a while him just start do it and it a work for him and enough people where do it long time I fall off, you know. And also we did want like dip on a high level can't reach where him reach, so people are gonna like don't like him for whatever for their own reasons still, because him definitely ruffle a lot of feathers, diss a lot of people. You understand? And that a fame claim to fame. But people love him.
I come here, I come number one in the US. Me never come wind up myself. Me never come talk about me about cat like Jayden. You see me? Batty boy Jayden, you can't come send me road. Jayden, you're a batty boy, and you can't send me nothing batty boy. But near my mother Jayden, you're a batty man. And you know batty boy Alex. Boy, you go beat up, boy, you go beat up man. Boy, you broke up man. Hey, boy, Alex, go near my mother batty boy. Boy, you broke up your youth.
Triple
chat. Go near my mother Alex. Me, Blemdem, I go near my dead mama. Your mama was dead last year, go near my him. Alex, go skin out your dead mama near me mouth, batty boy.
Triple chat.
Me, Blemdem, I say so. Alex, go skin out your dead mama near my team post. Alright, batty boy, moving forward. Yes, man. And Jayden go find your mama near me mouth, batty boy. Cause you no rate me. I wanna come and follow me up for when. Don't call me name, no call me name. Yes, man. Yeah. Near mouth to the dead mama. Royal dog. Yeah, next one too. Royal dog go skin out your dead mama near him too. Yeah, man, Royal dog. Royal dog go dig up your dead mama near mouth him pussy.
Giovanni never
yes,
good
man,
name, father.
Royal dog. Royal dog go skin out your dead mama. And near mouth him pussy. Yes, man, Royal dog. Go dig up your dead mama and near mouth him pussy. Please, Royal dog. Yes, man, Royal dog. Hold on with the dead mama and unborn mama. Who don't know their mother, go find their mother and name them out. Who not put. Oh, me not like none on the pan. Me can't tell me no. Alright. Just remember, say me can't tell me. No, always remember that before you come talk to me. Yes, man. Jayden, you don't know your mama. Go find your mama and name out him pussy. Batty boy, Jayden. Jayden, go find your mama and name out him pussy. Yes, man. I mean, I agree with Batty man. Yes, man. Batty man, bury Batty man under grave. And that we used to from Jamaica. We as Jamaican, we don't need to argue with Batty man. Underground we put Batty man. Allow me to tell Rosealee.
Underground.
Underground we put Batty man. We don't need to argue with Batty man. Back in 2008, back in the days from 2000 where we know Jamaica. Batty man go underground. So you know what we do now? We send for another transmission to deal with him. So me send for Pretti Dan. Make Pretti Dan talk when I talk. I mean I argue with him, you know. Pretti Dan me make argue with them. We just make pretty than deal with them. And me just do it burial. Cause badness me deal with. We just bury them. Yeah man, a badness me deal with. I bury batty man. We don't need to argue with the batty man. See what me do? Me go buy 2 big fish. Third time me pay for 1. Cause them the fish there are 40 pounds. I remember them boy they are big fish. So you can't get no small fish when you bury them boy. They have to bury them. I will go buy one little rat. Cause I say Shalom a rat, you know. Cause Shalom come here. He come and talk about say he a born up Batman and him brother a Batman. So that means say my rat on the Batman them. Yeah man, Shalom. Come down peacefully and go near out to the big stinking mama. Remember you know, I trade in middle, me not beg no nothing. So all I know can go near out to the mama if you not like me. Peacefully. Me no go near out to the big stinking mama peacefully. Cause me not beg no nothing, no big and stick no bumbo clot pa ya. No nasty and molly. No stick no bumbo clot and fear shit. Remember say you a Batman. And stink and nasty no blood clot. They come follow me up like I say you somebody. You know if you call me name to stay relevant, Batty boy. Call me name. Alright, you hear me go though. Remember you know, me don't come live every day, me come live at night time. I don't call me name. You hear me do know, me talk about no. Touch no can. Just touch no can. Use the needle and touch no can. And if you want me touch no can, you don't talk to if you me don't come live at daytime. You can go and entertain the people them by calling me name at daytime. Yes man. You don't call me name at daytime man. Me touch no can and me can go and call me name at daytime. But now I'm out to the big stinking man and nasty no blood clot. You know if you come down and bury batty man, you don't need to argue with no batty man. Stink no bumbo clot. Me just me don't know. Me say, alright, me share something with me now. Me don't need to argue with some boy in the dog. We take them down peacefully man. Yes man. Yeah man. You don't stink no bumbo clot. I'll nasty bumbo clot 6K TV. When me go bumbo clot the R grade 6 for when you fall out. Me say Rosalie. Me say me go sit down and argue with 6K TV and me see man never get a comeback. I've used me see man target back again. Me go give back him and come back. All the time send no Rosa, me say look a batty boy, don't send me no request, batty boy. Now send me no request, batty boy, cause my name famous. Your name a played me, you block me batty boy. So now come unblock me now I feel like me your friend. Me go send you up on your mama. Batty boy. Can you come here? Your name want to play no match with me. As you see me famous, you want to come play match with me. 6K TV, go name out your big stinking mama, like a batty man you. Remember say undercover batty man and Raja in a batty man. I say Raja, I and Raja used to power first. And through Raja, man cut out Raja belly through my batty man. Raja must say I mind man, you know, you buy gun give man them and the man them fuck you. The man them don't at all, you fuck them.
25% yes, with a rose. 25% with a rose. 25% with a rose. You look one. The man them at all a batty man. Everybody jump a rose. Rose, everybody drop a rose. Rose. Everybody drop a rose. Everybody drop a rose. Everybody drop a rose. We want 10 more people with a rose. 10 more people with a rose. 10 more people want a rose. 10 more people with a rose. Everybody drop a rose. Everybody drop a rose. Everybody drop a rose. 4 more people, quick. 3 more people, thanks.
You look a bad mind, batty boy. You look a bumbo club bad mind. You know me say Rosalie. Me see they come here and threaten people. I party man them. They come here every Rosalie, you hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you.
Me see the batty boy them come and threaten people every day. One of them come here and threaten people. A batty man them bro. You see me? They can't bully me bro. You see me? When you go suck out to the mama, you can't bully me. Mad man in real life.
Thank you.
They think no artist boy can call me phone and tell me not to call their name. I can't send no orders for me.
Yes.
When I go suck out to the mama,
money guns
I'll slap them alone, stand on me right.
Money guns outlet and donut.
Alright, post it. Boy, I want to run up on me, because I've had this me I did right.
Come on, post. Come on,
pull up with me bus, me kill you.
Alexi.
Rosalie, let me tell you, sir. I badness me did in real life. Me say me want to run up on me kill them. I swear to God as me there, so a gunshot me give them in their face. Now look at batty boy can't diss me. Can me say batty boy named Alex. The top boy got broke up man. But Alex, me Blemdem I tell you go suck out your mama, come broke me up. Batty boy, I know where go suck out your mother Alex. Boy you broke up man, you and Jayden are two batty man. And you know Jayden go suck out your mother Jayden. I style you used to tell you to go suck your mother. Say two annual crosses. Go suck your mama Jayden. Jayden go find your mama where you don't know and suck him out. Batty boy Jayden. Jayden go find your mama where you don't know and go suck him out. And you know batty boy Sqash. Me saw me location in Miami, you don't know me they pull up. Sqash go suck your mama. Go suck out your mother Sqash. Sqash, me blame them at all if you go suck out your mother. I'm there with my gun, I'm more you pull up right now, Sqash. Pull up, me murder your batty boy, Sqash. Sqash, go suck your mother. Shot at 6 now, batty boy. Go suck out your mother, Sqash.
If you have freeze by your side, go and come back. I never see you have thrown them for the trip, bro.
Well, I'm going to suck out to the mama. I want to put some hard brain on for FN shot. Now, no bomb clock, go suck on the mother. Me bust me gun anytime, batty boy. You hear a governor say, a blood run through everybody. So me bust me gun in a...
Me always hear that saying, yeah. The black where the builder refuse become the head corner stone. That's what I say. Look what happened to TV, you know, right? Look how him black Blemdem when things are going for him and not now going for Blemdem. And look how him say one turn around now. I send Blemdem who in black and have to end up unblack. See? And look what Blemdem do. That's why I have to be careful what you do in a life. You see what I say? Keep the same energy. You see it? Yeah, man, cause you don't know who I gonna make it in a life, you know. Although the way how Blemdem did come on TikTok, a lot of people never did want him in no way because him a diss the top man on TikTok, which is real dog. And then he grow on and diss other people. But now it work for him. And he hot. You see me I say? So boy people, let me know what you think because if I got this Sqash, I don't want Sqash more than one bag or something. Make you tune in and watch some more.
Anybody got suck on the mother. Oh, me bust me gun in anybody and me bust it anytime. Anywhere. Got suck on the mother. I blood run through all away. And me bust me gun through anybody. Got suck on the mother. Anytime me bust me gun. In a yard and foreign. I'm there foreign now. I'm in a time to fly down to kill now. Me send my friend them to kill now. Suck on the mother. If me can't kill you, me send my friend them to kill you. Go suck on the mother. Anywhere me crash out. Any boy me shoot. Go suck on the mother. So me can't tell her right now if you go suck your mother. So Sqash, go suck your mother, yeah, your mother. And top call up my name, Batty Boy Sqash. Sqash, go suck your mother. Batty Boy, me there Miami Brickle right now, Batty Boy. Me show them my address how me live, Batty Boy. Me there apartment in front of Blood Clyde Tall, Miami Tower, Batty Boy. Pull up now, Batty Boy, me full. Let me shot in your face, Batty Boy. Batty Boy Sqash, pull up, Batty Boy, me shot in your face. Me bust me gun inside all police, Batty Boy. Alright, I'm showing you something right now, Batty Boy. Me crash out anytime. See it there?
Oh, eh! No Blemdem live!
Eh? Alright, hold on. I police them, me I show them, and me bust gun in the police. Go suck on the mother. When I smart, I don't care talk to me, pan, me crash out anytime. Me a madman, me mad. Me head gone, go suck on the mother. Go suck out to the mother, and I don't care give me no talk, pan, ya. Me a criminal and gunman and thief, go suck on the mother. Shelly, I'm gonna tell the people, I'm saying, I'm not bad, I'm not bad in Miami, pussy. And me and my friend, them a shot you up, and you can't do nothing, go suck on the mother. So Shelly, call me name, Batty suck at y'all. Go suck out your mother, Shelly. Shelly, right now, alright, Shelly. Me got you a deal right now, Shelly. Shelly, me go give you a Sqash a deal right now. Me go drop me location, I'm want to pull up and me could shoot. Cause we go now, fair deal, pussy. Batty Boy Sqash, go suck your mother here, mama. Batty Boy Sqash. Go suck out your mother. Yeah, me say me not like none on TikTok, bro. Alright, me go show you say me crash out anytime. Me go show you say no if you crash out like me. Pussy. Suck with the mother. You can't kill nobody a foreign Batty Boy. Eh?
Everybody drop
nobody a foreign pussy. I'm afraid to get deported, so I'm not kill.
Guys who want some more roses.
You want afraid to get deported, so I'm not nobody can afraid to get deported. That's when we tell the people, Batty Boy, I'm afraid of ice. I'm afraid of ice, Batty Boy, I'm afraid of police. So I'm not kill a foreign pussy. That's when we tell the people, so I'm afraid people are foreign because we don't want to get deported. Batty Boy, that's when we tell it, me a madman anyway. But suck on the mother and top follow me up. Batty Boy, I'm afraid to crash out. Batty Boy, we are make things happen yard and abroad. Go suck on the mother. Batty Boy, a badness we are doing. All of my friend them a Bronx. Big up man is part and killers them. And Bill Gates them and the whole I kill them. Batty Boy. Sqash tell the people them say, no Sqash campaign, no we are Bronx. As my friend them make select off the top place Sqash. Batty boy. Where them my friend them should just because Sqash play. Batty boy. So if you talk to me, him Batty boy Sqash, yeah, your NBA friend them will live in New York. Cause suck on no matter. Una no bad man, una batty man. Look a batty boy, no nobody. Una can't go nowhere far, you don't have to hide because guns man they make you have to hide. Batty boy Sqash. Boy come and chat off your batty mouth, batty boy. I can't call up my name and batty man share them. Sqash to control the sucker man. Not if you do batty boy, yeah, your mama war of a man and I a big artist. You're a big artist and your mama war of a man. You look a batty boy. You kill nobody a foreign batty boy, you be hard to get out and your friend them at their prison. You all your friend them they afraid to crash out because they're afraid of prison, batty boy. Me dark up the whole place. All in front of police, batty boy. I want to hear batty boy, go suck on the mother. You can't talk to me pussy. What I go suck on the mother. And you know batty boy, I don't want a batty man to call me name. Batty boy Shibada, come off of my name, batty boy. Can me make a man care for the batty boy? Me pay a man for batty boy. Remember see a batty man brother for killing me kill a pussy. Don't ramp in me batty boy. You run me file again before you can call me name. Batty boy Shibada, me make a batty boy. Me can tell TikTok say me make a man keep it true and me can laugh. Like boss said, batty boy. Oh, remember say me not live off a TikTok in a pussy. Me go back go do trading pussy. Me not live off a TikTok. So me kill you now and the people against me. Me can laugh.
Everybody
me kill you now and then me can laugh. Me kill you now and then me can laugh. No business. Cause me not live off a TikTok. So no dead. Me just laugh pussy. I suck on them.
Everybody drop a rose, 25 rose. Everybody drop a rose, 25 person with a rose chart. 25 person drop a rose. 25 person drop a rose.
Anywhere in the traffic, anywhere in the batty boy.
25 guys, send the rose, everybody guys, send the rose in the chat.
No, call me name batty boy, me a madman. Me a thief to a madman batty boy. In the traffic,
25 person with a rose.
Me say any day me will Sqash, you no go see who bad. That me I tell you. Any day me will Sqash, you no go see who bad, pussy. Alright. Now I with him. I mean, know you say about the run Miami, you can't do me no batty boy. Or if you say about the run Miami, you can't go suck your mouth. Tell your mother if it up call up my name. Batty boy, can me leak things about you, no batty boy. Oh, tell your mama if it up call my name, batty boy Sqash. Tell your mother if it up call my name, batty boy, me top call your name. Enter your suck mama top call my name, me top call your name, batty boy. So tell your mama if it up call my name, and me top call your name, go suck your mother Sqash. Anytime you suck mama top call my name, me top call your name, go suck your mama. You look a batty man, your mama call up my name like I say you want me.
Some people, we are going to listen some more and then we move on to the next. We go over Shibada here, Shibada officer and the candy thing and Ray, you see it. So, more I know what to think about Blemdem overall, my people, because this youth, yeah, as him say, I'm ready for crash out at any time, you know what I mean? That means I'm ready for dash with him 3 points or do somebody something and go get locked up, right? At any time, you see me? At least them say, them unalive him grandmother because of him still. So me no know who do it, but him have a different energy when it come to Sqash them. Me no know how Sqash them do him. You understand? And somebody did I say him used to power with Sqash them. You see me? So, but him used to love carrying news. I share me here say so cause share get some file on him or whatever. You know what I mean? So boy, I don't know him energy up there for Sqash them differently. Bigger one thing. So when I say about people make me know what they think we are going to watch some more.
Oh your mama want me cock for suck. Your mama alright. You know so me go talk. Alright, people start scream record. People, me have one uncle where Sqash mama say a batty man. Bro, he man used to fuck Sean. Sqash mama name Sean. He man used to fuck Sqash mother. He man used to sell perfume with Sqash mother. I swear to God, me not tell lie. So all man a batty man and the man a fuck. Hey Shelly, all the man a batty man and the man a fuck you. Show one picture with the man in a batty man costume. Batty girl. But suck your mother. That means you put it up then. If a man a batty man and the man a... Rosealee, tell me now Rosealee. If a man a batty man and he pushing at you, that not make you a batty girl. In Rosealee. Yeah. The girl say me uncle a batty man and the man used to... Bro, I should be now want to leak some picture, bro. Me have one picture with barbz in my grandmother pool. barbz and G-man and the whole of them. A dirty people them. Them man are no body, bro. I swear to God as me there, so I walk these people them. That's the SMD, so I bring them down. Bro, they're no bad man. where then they get a flare and them are not a bad man in a foreign, bro. Can me show me location. Me show them where me live and then can't pull up all now. Which part me live right now. Me dey on the road right now. Right now me dey on the road. Me dey on the road right now as a bad man. Why they can't bleach for me when me a go in a house? Why me could not come bleach for me? Eh?
25 rows
bad pussy go suck on the mother. Alright.
Everybody drop a rose. Everybody drop a rose. 25 purse with a rose. And someone who go on with the live lesson, so we have one less rose.
Paper, my uncle with Sqash mother walk around and tell people say a batty man. The man used to fuck her, I swear to God. Ask anybody I'm up here. My uncle with Sqash, mama say a batty man used to Sqash mother. Cause suck your mother Shelly, you push it up then. Cause if a man a batty man and the man a you, that means you push the shit up. Yes, tell the people them say man used to you. And you thief the man money and the man fall out. And that's say I call the man name, suck good girl. Hey girl, go suck your mother. Tell the people them say man used to and you and the man fall out, you call up the man name, go suck your mother girl. You stick no bumbo clot, the man used to so if you man a batty man and the man used to fuck you, that make you pussy shit up. Go suck your mother girl. And if I'm in Miami right now, down a Brooklyn, go suck your mama. I'm in on the road right now, so they can meet me, I get pussy. When me a drive, you know, me show on a pussy, me and my friend them. I be a badness where I did in a foreign pussy. I be a gun and badness, I murder I did, go suck on the mama. I'm not care about TikTok live, me I come off a TikTok. Go suck on the mama, cause me a crash out.
Yeah, rebel, me not trouble you, me not chat you, me not style you, but come here my baby. You see me talk to you in your ear. At which stage you dip and do the dance and the crowd stand up on you like Magnum battle? Which part you did there, my baby? Because when me tell you about rather than peace and pass, human, and dog. Look here, when me tell you say them song you really not gonna win, you never hear rebel you Africa join forces with Africa. You got to join forces with Africa. Come in and tell you no, like rebel we are going to them at 2025, you know, people stop rather than peace and pass, human beings and dogs. People stop do that. And we are going with them something them baby. Mr. the crowd stiff by yes, me I want them feed everybody to Viagra in them liquor. Everybody stand up like a cock. Me I wait for it for crow. You don't believe me? But one time I talk when I say my bad mind, and I know some don't bad mind you. I know I actually like you, rebel. I actually like just let me tell you what I like. Yes, it's true, you have to play hypocrite. You can't stand up on your own, my baby. But I actually like you. That's what I call them the three little boys. For true, but in a real life, reverb, me I tell you the truth, you have to go do something. You have to. My baby, come here. Now follow the comment we say, you can dance. You just have a passion for dancing. Because from your 17, you have them the moves, them a baby. God believe me. From your 17. And then you're so smart. You see, like when you're smart, you can teach dance move from Africa. Africa is a continent. Them not say, them not even gonna miss certain style. A continent. It's bigger than we. It's not like you can teach a dance at Negril and come to Kingston. Somebody from Negril will come to town shortly. Shortly. Yeah, for true. But anyways, can they come here now? Rebel just that moment, you hear my baby? I must tell Jesus. I must tell Jesus. Come here. Can they come here? You go upon the life to bring down Diamond, Raja, Mackerel. I'm not in a lie, young and done. You're boring, you know. You're boring. You remind me of Santa Barbara. You're boring, you know. You're bored. You're not in the kick like generation. You're boring. I don't know where you find passion for life in a way I say. You're boring. You're boring. As the world turns, we have no future. We not go back to no future as the world turns. Can you hear say out of your mouth? What you mean them are 80 for King Donia and we ever see the holy broom pan King Donia and everybody will.
Hey, me feel like say Shibada just love Rebel. Make him always a take set by Rebel certain way. Rebel is a girl when no trouble nobody, you know. Rebel stay in a fear own lane and do her thing, you know. And no matter what them say about crowd turn up on Rebel or what, Rebel is very talented. Just the other day Rebel build one dance. You know what I mean? And Rebel can do whining and she can dance like regular dance. She master them there and after a long time Rebel a dance. You see me I say that's something she love. And she bother go say she find something else though. So why she bother to find something else though? Like acting wise. Because him love it and they pay him. No matter if, because you're not gonna get a crowd every time we are real and you know sometimes you're gonna get that show the way, you know what I mean, I gonna make you feel like say Jano, be done with this whatever. You know every time you're gonna get a good show. You see me I say, but for the most part me think Rebel get good response at every show where she go, cause she always show them on her TikTok and her Instagram and you see the people them, you see the crowd reaction. You know what I mean? And Rebel now give a look idiot show. Quality show Rebel a give. You see me I say? So she bother alone Rebel alone. Rebel a good girl. Rebel now have time for the mix up and the drama. You know what I mean? We can watch some more with people.
They have a partial pin change. No, I'm never telling her like candy. Stop hype up the situation like it more than it is. Are you alone friend for man? You come up at that say your baby father video with you and your baby father. Number one baby girl, your baby father disrespect you to the core. The mere fact that the boy don't want to move picnic from me in bed, you swallow it. You know, since the boy get slow case of abortion in an ecstasy. Me just I wait the argument, my love. Wait it out. It not have nothing to do with me, just wait it out. You don't have a thing to do with me, baby. But just how you the argument, so now ask me how me get in it, yeah? Nobody ask me how me get, just do me a bit. Do. I bear me away with the argument because I say me sit down there and say yes, Candy I go bust it, but me tell you so I can't hold on a bottom. Sorry, I can't hold him out like how Blemdem can't hold him bottom. Yeah, me tell you now. One could never do it. One could never do that and win. Me did say the England trip after talk. It got to. Remember Una studied what I gotta shoulda coulda woulda. Remember Una alone studied that. It did after talk. Can't the reason why Roger did one pan him cousin because you're easy to sell. Remember you not come with no price. You don't realize that, so you better come out and talk. Fuck. Look how long England gone. Look how long it on a drama back here now. Look, I think 2024 wasn't a bad year for me. Then you can imagine how uncomfortable me that feel all in the day, yeah? Huh? Cause on the drama way back here, I don't like it. I really don't, and truly, Mr. Candy, I only even why you reading a class, cause I know me I go book. Not even church my book, so I know me I go gain cocoa. Me say you talk about and nothing. Me don't know if you rebrand yourself on TikTok like you like. But we still have to see a baby father with the emote as you claim. And you want to justify the video. You want to justify the video. The justification of the day when your baby father video. Not too little bit and kinky boy, your baby father will take your meat. Do you remember who take your meat? Do you remember? Who stole your maiden? Do you remember? Who you loan it to? Do you remember? Who you gave your virginity to keep? Do you remember? You remember? Because the next minute you're going to tell us that 2 man you ever taking it. Little girl. Boy, she a provoke me. She a provoke me, you know. I'm in a struggle that day with me. She's provoking. I never tell her that I'm ready. Because I'm in a struggle people. I'm going to people. Oh Lord, Sometimes I wonder who give birth to the internet. I played this, you know. The spirit tell you say I can't give birth to the internet. They tell me so I wonder if I Derek breed that. Lord Jesus, Keroke Ken Felice daddy. Yeah, I go to the internet, to TikTok. Who give birth to TikTok? Cause you see the woman who breed and bring Facebook. Facebook is so intelligent and quiet. Me say Facebook mother most proud of it. Facebook mother after proud of me now. Facebook quiet, oh Facebook quiet, my say Facebook about it, man. Facebook quiet. And then YouTube strict. You know say YouTube mother and father teacher and preacher. Mr. YouTube, she's strict, you say? She's strict. But IG no on the fence. You know, IG that coming like them on the borderline, yeah. Me hear so them not to send IG to school like that, you know? Me hear say IG have to go to work early. But you know, in every family you have a black sheep, yeah. But TikTok, no, me hear say TikTok is the whore. Me hear say TikTok mash up the people and go good sanctimonious so. Yes, my love, I'm the only gospel child that we dance go. For sure. We need more than a DNA. Yeah, we need more than a DNA. TikTok never Christopher show. Yeah, I've seen them say TikTok are falling it. People pick me. I can't do it. I'm somebody's child. I cannot do it. No, don't do that. Oh Lord, Jesus is coming. Yes, no. Jesus is coming. You understand? Think they're gonna child out of wedlock. No, for sure. TikTok are the devil's advocate. No, we're not this up TikTok here. But can they in a real life? Not the way you're gonna come with now. That's why I tell you, saying I can they see you. He's a little girl with hard for like. As for me know you're hard for grind. In a sense, when I say you're hard for let it off, you know, when you let it off, the man I wonder what is. Yeah, you're hard for. Can you come with a bag of nothing but this is my voice that I use professionally. You want to learn English grammar, you want to learn the grammar, and the grammar you want to learn. Because when you go talk about this is people go look at you like an asshole. Me don't know where to get this facade from where we feel as if we're not twang, it's proper grammar. You understand me? Me don't understand which part we get it from. Who teach you this? Which school we go learn this? Which doctor inject this in a which preacher baptize you with this? I don't people alone and I can't reason with. I them alone fascinated with change at tone. I Roger teach, I must Roger teacher. Him alone tongue and have no diction. And people say no Roger intelligent, me I wonder who is a dreamer say that. Who is saying that? Who in the back of the class is saying that? Hello? Is it Piniada? Is you? Come. No man, come here. Then what? How we have Rosealee to their puff? Then what? How we Rosealee? Me nah lie, Rosealee. Yeah, bless. You know say barbar. Me nothing like the image where barbar have a.
Alright, my people. You remember the other day I share a video with Uno and me tell you say there's a conspiracy against King Donia. There's also a conspiracy against Candy. You see me I say, you see TikTok TikTok become a politics thing, you know. You see me I say, not political, you know. Politics mean choose side and them something there. You see me? And if you not choose a certain side on TikTok, you see me I say, them try to bring you down. You know what I mean? But una watch still, una we know who is who and what is what and rare. Una not gonna know everything still, you know. But there's a conspiracy on TikTok. You see, anywhere money there, you are gonna find problem and people who want to control it. You understand? And everybody with the upper top, you have to fight to go up there. You see me? Because the people them did they want to drag you down and want to see you up there. Big up to Candy because Candy genuinely build herself. She never build herself by no cussing or nothing like that. Entertainment, you see me, and consistency build Candy. She say a whole heap of foolishness still when me not like and me not rate. But me understand say you have to keep yourself relevant. So some of the time when people are say some things and do some things, well they might try to keep themselves relevant. You know what I mean? So I want to tell me what you think, me people. As far as the conspiracy goes against Candy, tell me if you don't believe say there's a conspiracy or the whole of them together I plan them thing and I do them thing and I fool the people them where I watch or when I feel like say people against her. Leave your comment, make you watch some more.
Vexation, true. When you vex we can see barber. Me say me have Rosealee way today. Rosealee me have you with my finger like a costume ring. Me make you bleed. Eh? Then you just say up on your leg, go chat about it. I wonder if you and Candy reason I read the same script. No. I don't want you to come if the girl come from a program and tell like you know the girl address. The girl find you into the life. Are you alone sitting in the house of course? And as well so I don't want you to come. Me no know all people believe. You can't open a church, you know. You can't open a church. I know all people believe you. And this is to me. Then if the girl tell like why you hurt you so much, me not like this. You know go down a gate because she come down your gate already. Fear is fear. She look fear one time, you go look back fear one time. Don't make the girl have one over you. Sky Queen love me, but do it again. She be no. Rosealee swell man. Oh. Missy Barbar. Missy Barbar. I wouldn't tired by the people and send me requests. So much I want to on the way. Yeah, go ahead. I'm gonna play one song for the people. I soon come. Want to listen to this? No. Yes, sir. Yes. I watch up upon this. I want to. No, but I don't lie. Then Rosealee vex. Let me tell you from last night. Rosealee vex. Rosealee vex. I basically Blemdem rush out and drop. Secondly, she vex so she lick down some gifts. Thirdly, she didn't have an argument. I put Rosealee on repeat. I have Rosealee spin like a ballet dance and she forgets that she not swing. Have the girl away. You have Blemdem, you drop and you say Blemdem have a drop for pretti then Rosealee don't know if stand up in a war. Eh, you have the capacity to take a lick. You should stand up in the fight. I go pop Broadway tonight. Wanna like it, bad it. Yeah, me nah like you draw for Blemdem Rosealee. Blemdem a weak fence, a man Blemdem live with. Blemdem can't talk to me. Blemdem a live down a lobster in the aquarium. Blemdem me come with shell that poison. Yeah, that way you know some people say I'm allergic to shellfish. Blemdem a suck out a lobster head. What is in the head shit? Namasha, put on back your name tag. Father Rosalie, my teacher when you out of class. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, this is what I want to say now, people. A lot of persons keep stating that Shabada don't want to tell Shay the truth. Tell Shay the truth about what? We don't know for war. We don't know for argue. Number one, we never jump on Shay's side. She and Urban catch up first, cause you don't remember, make me remind you. Urban and Shay catch up first. Remember Urban and walk and nitpick by everybody. You get what me I say? Urban and K, Urban and Shay. I jump on Urban. Me and Urban are just have something. I mean, if I put her in her house for a little daughter for look on the one we have a Parkinson, the one we have she have dyslexia, we have Parkinson. Autism. Yeah, the one who have autism. Me have put her back in her place, right? Fine. Okay. She and Rosalie. Me never did a class Rosalie long before she take up. She and Shay pick up them argument. Me never did a class Rosalie long time. Me want know now, an enemy of my enemy is my what? Friend. Not so the saying go. Not so the saying go. And me and Shay never enemies. So it's not easy for we tag team. And besides, I didn't tag team with Shay. I don't know how the argument go with Shay, Rosalie and Urban. More than me just say Shay a class Rosalie, a class Urban, Urban a class Shay. And me just jump in it and start this up Urban. Me no pick sides. Me never pick a side. Shay a come for me live. From me, I'm a foreign man, Canar. You understand me? Why wouldn't I take Shay and my life now that she and Urban and Rosalie at it? Why? Oh, through war I must push for Shay until the war go suck on no more man. The whole of only have a problem. Go suck out the deepest part and the nasty moment. Yeah. One little bit unintelligent. Remember me can't reason I put in a futuristic. So I'm reading a futurism.
And people, I go tell you this, do not be surprised if you see Shibada and Shay going at it tomorrow. Remember me tell you, cause these people on TikTok, them no last in a friendship too long. Today, them good, tomorrow, them bad. You see me I say? Let me know what you think in the comment section. We watch just maybe a couple minutes or so, and then we're going to go over to Candy and hear what Candy has say, because she and Mackerel try to, you know what I mean, explain their part about the England situation. And on a level where she bother say, oh, this topic come up back, oh, this England thing come up back. How them not have nothing? Them not have nothing to entertain the people them. So them gone back to this, we gone boy, almost a year ago or a couple months well ago. Alright, so let we get back to it, people, and hear what she about to say.
If Bone Rosalie or Shay up on my life because she's gonna get some highlighting classing you. And that hurt your big no sweet table mango. And that hurt you. Shay gonna get some highlight. And that hurt you. So me don't know all that top on my pick side. Me and none of them two so cocky lick up but a drink come draw with home wrecker. Girl they unafraid. So why me they just say, oh God, you them a do Shay and come from my program and say, me nah like Rosalie. Rosalie talk weird. Rosalie talk in a passageway dark. Literally. And in a passageway dark. Tell me the truth way God love. Me not even like Blemdem and Rosalie go seek help. And Rosalie go draw for Blemdem and I know say my fire pay blank. Blah 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 and people stand up so not even jelly bean come out of your gun. Go put it back. Go and put it back. Me sound like Blemdem. Sound like Mr. Crab. So let me say crab melon. Me just sound like Blemdem a while ago. Blemdem leave him talking to David Batom. Yes, my love. Yes, so Rosalie, you got draw for Blemdem and rush out and Blemdem ringing ankle. Blemdem ankle ring. Blemdem want some vitamins. A herbal in the pan. How can the brand vitamin in the pan? Herbal. Him little bit weak. Little bit weak. You should not tell her, you know, say nothing for rush out. If I study the pathway, let the word be a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path. Study the pathway, you know it's big life. Yeah, me I talk to Blemdem. Oh, nice, Blemdem, say tight hole Blemdem, see her there. See the lady there. The lady will live with David at Florida. And I burn out baptism. And I drive up David things and I use up David things. Blemdem, you know, so I check you out today, you don't have no papers. Your name don't come up in the system, you don't have nothing. Through the tunnel you come, we have to go use the address. Yeah? Blemdem, that me didn't want to tell you. I check you out, I tell you to say. Me I go check on all, I don't believe. Yeah, I'm saying eyes. I see your name not in the system. Unless I the wrong name, we're going to use the address in order to get you. It sound familiar? It sound familiar, Blamas? Huh? You like come on the live and go on like you have everybody's secret. So you stay for your batty boy. For your batty man, I saw no stay a 8 dirty batty man like Uno will leave no home and go in the gully. Me don't know who Uno and Rat have in common. Like Spirosis.
We are God bless bikini. We are God bless bikini. Oh, okay. I don't know who said that you have it mommy pay for one? She was actually singing about God, so what's a big deal?
Okay. I didn't see mommy here. She said that, and
not so serious.
And then when you say something about the husband promoter, them say about the husband promoter. What happened with the husband promoter? The promoter husband. My bad.
I don't even know the husband promoter. I wonder if I can add Serena over here. Me don't know the husband promoter.
The promoter husband or something. What them say
you and him getting an argument.
You and him getting an argument. Yeah, you and him getting an argument. The promoter husband.
Oh, me and listen to what me I say. That's why I love approve about certain things, you know. Because I know me I go talk, I never feel like a lie me I tell. When me go to England, me never catch up with nobody. Me never, and even if me did catch up with Serena husband, me would say nothing because member say I them make me dead here. Me not in my place. Me can't go somewhere go disrespect somebody in them own ratness. Me a no idiot. Why would I do that? Why would I go disrespect the man? And for what? Did they give you a valid reason? Them tell you why or what happened? Because if them knows argument go on, them did supposed to tell you why.
Who's saying him name? No people.
Whatever him name.
Yeah, people were just talking, you know. Me not know, as we say, we are listening just like everybody else. And I like to make, like when I have a conversation with you, I was having a conversation with Daima. And how I saw that whole Daima situation, Daima was just Roger mouthpiece. That's what me see it. Because she said everything Roger wanted to say.
All right.
She said she never see it with her own 2 eyes. Everything she has said.
I guess what know what me want to say. And as me say, me I go just make mackerel talk. And if she start do the most, me I go exit. Because she said when we came back, me want to know when I was in an argument. Because maybe me no remember something but me want to know. So when you can add mackerel, I make she tell which argument. Because me want no too. You get what I say? So
I'll go jump add Mac. Alright, hold on. Mackerel? We have a conversation.
We're not cursing. Hold on, Mackerel. Cause one
Alright, my people, so that was Candy first time. You know what I mean? Maybe as our first time I go up for you know, interview, whatever. Seeing? So all of the information that what she need for have, maybe she not know all she not gonna know all of the information what she need for have. You see me, the people that what she a go with, you know, them should make she know say, yo, you have to have this, you have to have that, so that show say them never did a correspond like that. You know what I mean? Cause them would have go before she maybe do the interview, so them know how what them are go, although under the same them ask everybody still, but you know what I mean, if the woman name never did it, well, you see me I say she would know the woman name, and that was the issue where she said the woman name, the promoter name, that caused them to, you know what I mean, give her the thing, and then she go back go reapply with the I know the woman and then give her thing. You see me I say, so me don't feel like say that a no big deal in no way, you know what I mean. And then Blinga, you know, my people, Blinga come out and come start search, you know, say boy Candy no get her thing, and then that cause Blinga now fi no get fi go, because yeah mash up the person where keep it thing, because you go tell the whole people them say yeah Candy no get her thing, whatever you try flop the woman show where she a keep, and they look like the show flop anyway, you know what I mean. So make me know what to think, my people. We are go watch someone, then we are go end it, cause we not go dwell too much on this topic.
Question me go ask you, because as I say, you get your time and you talk what you have to talk, say. But just to ask you, when was I in an argument with Serena's husband, and what was the cause of the argument? I just that me ask you.
No, mama talk. You said you just stated you don't know him. That you just say you don't know him.
Mackerel, whether I know the man from when,
okay, but you cannot say you don't know.
Listen, alright.
Alright, Candy, hold on, Candy. Mackerel, did she have an argument with Serena?
I'm talking about the argument.
Let me explain. The argument where you have with the man, and this is all we know, because the man come back, come say to it. It was like, oh, you want me to pick you up, or you want me to carry back a town, or whatever was the case. Some pick up argument the anime had, and you real up on the man. Me no help me up. Somebody come pick me up already. You didn't have that conversation with somebody?
And Mackerel, let me ask you something. I'm gonna ask the people them.
You cannot ask
Mackerel, let she answer. Make she talk. Mackerel, make she talk, please.
Me sound like me insane, or have some insanity problem and issues. Why would someone, not even talking about her husband, why would someone come to me and say, okay, I'm gonna pick you up and I'm gonna drop you off and I'm gonna just raise up because I'm a man? What's the reason me keep on asking? I know you can't give me a valid reason what the argument was about. It doesn't make sense.
Liar, it makes sense.
It doesn't make sense.
It makes sense. Because why would I come back, come tell me a Raja that in the car with my car got town? And the man come back, come tell we Candy. And the man tell where you do.
When?
And say don't want this. Candy, when we're going back to town.
When we there England, or
when we came back from England, so you're not listening. You just want to ask question. I said,
tell you what? That me ask tell you what? Just say it for word. If Mackerel, what you answer to me no make sense. I want to know. I can say, yo, John, alright, me wrong. Or John, no one say it go. I'm clarify myself. You're not make sense. You keep on saying him telling about me understand.
Okay.
Alright, alright.
Candy.
Well on.
Candy.
Me no cut your Mackerel. Me no cut you. Sorry, me not go talk after this. Me I just make she talk. You know Serena. Serena is a highly respectable big woman, right? Serena is a highly respectable person. You feel like if me did go disrespect Serena husband in such a manner where you claim for some disrespect him, should I want to deal back with me?
That's not my place to say, and I don't know and I don't care. I just tell lawyer what the husband said you did, and that's that because of that.
Until you know. Tell me now.
Alright,
so
that you say and it don't make no sense. So you not really valid.
Hear what. Me no need for comment. So listen, I didn't have an argument with Serena husband. You get what me I say? Me never raise my voice after him. Me and him never in an argument. And that so me have to say, who want believe me, who no want believe me.
You cannot say you didn't do it. You cannot say you didn't do it when him literally come tell me and Roger in the car. Say you do it.
That's what you
Okay, were you there?
Alright, guys. Alright. Calm down. Alright, Mackerel.
Were you exactly
Serena husband
were you there, Mackerel?
Serena husband say
No,
happen.
listen what
We
me
don't
I say.
have- man
Listen what me
lie.
I say, what me not like. Uno come on the media, uno come on a big social media platform like this, and uno come and uno talk things like uno know say exactly so it go. If it was that case, you come and you say, boy, you know, say, I feel like Candy was disrespectful though, because Serena husband came to us and told us that she was being disrespectful. No, you come and say, yes, and she argued with Serena husband, and she dislikes her, you know, say exactly so it go. That's the thing, what I'm saying. Uno always come with some things that uno don't know about. Same like, oh, me I go say it again. You come and you say, I don't, cause the woman named upon the flyer when me coulda know, and it's not there. I sent TikTok like the flyer and her name is not there. You come and you talk like you're sure. Say, I saw it.
Tell your story, you need to get your story them correct. The man was right in the conference room and the man tell you everything. Me never tell us, oh, it depends, flyers and depend. I said all of us get the information because the man introduced himself. Serena,
okay, and what am I supposed to do with this? What am I supposed to do with this information now? Because England gone now, bring it up back. England gone from Poland, everybody bring it up back.
You are saying, so what is it I have to do?
All right, Mackerel, you're right about everything. You're right about everything.
All right, guys. We're not going to do this. Mackerel, come back later, honey. After Candy gone, we have a conversation and we hear your side.
After Candy gone, till I don't come in our mouth.
No. Mackerel, come on. Me just like coming and nobody coming and disrespect you.
Come start up back England.
But
everybody forget about England.
But
everybody, me never did come talk about England. So what am I supposed to do with this information now? You and Roger were the one who came up back with this England festivity. We're going all and we're done. We show keep how much show keep after that with the same promoter. You understand? It's same person, and I think Adam and they did actually give me one link for make. I'm not even know say her husband. I think him give me one link for make me get me my driver's license. So
Candy, you never.
Weird as fuck.
So Candy, you don't remember having that conversation with nobody. I you know remember meeting Serena husband.
Listen to me. I say couple man did it. Me know her husband did it, but I wasn't sure who her husband was. Me now go sit down and take the time out. As me said, that's why I never give Mackerel the full rangings. You understand? That's why I say, boy, when Mackerel said I should have go meet the promoter, I should have do this, she not totally wrong. But me know when me I say I want something I go there for do, so that me I go there for do. Me not take the time out for know who for husband, who for this and who for that. You get what me I say? Me just say, yo, alright, that me I go do, and that me I go do. Oh, husband come up. Alright. Me know the husband. Me know the man name, me know him face, and me know how him look. Right? Me know everything about the husband. What the issue now?
Because according to her, this never came from her. This came from the husband. So we can't even say blame Mackerel.
According to her, she can be lying too. She can be lying too, according to her.
All of that too. But somebody's lying. We don't know who lying. So we have to move on from that. Let's move on to something else.
Because everything, with every action, there's a reaction. Remember, if me come and disrespect Serena husband, I don't think that lady would want to have nothing to do with me. Come on, Serena, a big woman, you know. Serena is a big woman, a respectable woman, you know. Listen, if me have my money, Serena girl have her money. Serena hot girl. Serena don't need none of this. She don't need none of this. You understand? She don't need none of this. So if me did come and disrespect her husband, you feel like so the woman would have want to deal back with me? Alright, I lie me I tell. Who are gonna beat me? Next question. Come. We no need to tell lie. Next question.
So, Candy.
Alright, I lie me I tell. Yeah.
Candy.
Catch me. I lie me I tell. Me a liar. Me's a big liar.
The comment section of mine, Candy. I said
no, me a liar. It doesn't really matter because nobody can beat me. I'm just here because me can here. I'm just say me I come club certain things so I support them. Me not come beat up me just over nothing. Say if no one say I lie me I tell. Okay.
Alright, that's fine.
Move on from the September.
I just say it's neither here nor there.